Hey, I'm so looking forward to this Sunday. Makes me want to sing that song, Hi, 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 it's Lockdown Sunday. And as well as the top tips about how to get your chic chateau bedroom or bedroom bliss, I'm also going to be discussing with you how we can have some lockdown fun. So what I'll be asking you to do on Sunday is between the hours of 10:30 after the show and 10:30 at night, I'll ask you to go onto the Amabile Home Haven page and upload a picture of your room. So you'll get the results back of what I would say if I'd popped in, had a cup of coffee, wolfed your gypsy creams and told you how to make the best of your room. At the end of the week, if you put on hashtag #OhWowMyRoom when you upload the pictures, this will all be on the page and I'll go through it again on Sunday. Don't worry. If you put that hashtag on, it means that I can then get in touch with 3 of you chosen at random, where I will do a one-to-one online conversation, which will then show next Sunday. Interested for some lockdown fun? Tune in, get online, get uploading those pictures, and let's have the best lockdown Sunday ever!